Well, it was an interesting night. Slept pretty good, but we had one casualty. Air mattress that didn't hold air, and don't think the sleep was very good last night for Dad. But we've got a solution. But it's pretty beautiful out here. The sun kind of reflecting off of the canyon walls, and so you can kind of see around here. It's pretty spectacular. You know, we're working on breakfast now. To be honest, this bathroom that they put at each campground, they're not too bad. So we're gonna work on some breakfast, tearing down, and then we're gonna get out of here and head down the trail. You know, we're looking to have some decent breakfast, some bacon, some pancakes. You know, it's not Marco's cooking like from Trail Recon, but it'll be pretty good, I think. So. This is a very precise calculation.
I'm sure it is.
It comes to the coffee. Very precise.
Yep.
Right about there. First bacon. Sky, that's for sure. Where'd the road go? I don't know. Where'd the road go? I don't see any road. What's on? Oh, yeah. Well, there it is. Well, there's a sign. Boy, something else looking out over this. You can see where we came from right over here. Got a beautiful view. Boy. Day 2 on the trail. We got Brian driving over here. What do you think about driving the trail?
Well, fun, especially when you get to the edges like this.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's
That.
a nice.
Well, I hope we don't go down right here.
Yeah.
That looks a little difficult.
That is nice, right on the edge. Well, we definitely learned something today. Air down your tires, even when the rangers say you don't need to. Stopped to have a little lunch. Found the next campsite, which is right at the top of that big climb. We're gonna get in the shade right over here.
I think that's about it.
Enjoy the view.
I want the hamburger.
barely made it. Been a wide variety of trails from smooth bottoms to some nice climbs, but we finally found where our campsite's going to be at for this evening. We just have to get down there to it. So we're up here. We got to get way down there. Made it to our campsite, the third night on the trip and second night on the White Rim Road Trail, and some some difficult driving on parts of it. Very difficult, ups and downs, and whew, for a beginner. But just want to show you where we came from, and you won't be able to see the trail at all. But we were looking at it a minute ago, thinking, where is a road? You know you went down it, but you don't know where it's at. So basically, below the darker line of rock, we came all along just below that darker line, from way back over here. We followed the edge of this. And we came down back on the other side of this little ridge, and down and back up here. So this campsite is called Hard Scrabbled Bottom. So we stayed at Gooseberry, campsite A, and now Hard Scrabble Bottom B. So mosquitoes are ridiculously crazy. Here's our setup. Little canopy. We took a little nap after we set that up in the shade. That was kind of nice. It was a long drive. I think we're all kind of tired, but it was worth it. Good views. Very good views. So I'm getting ready to cook. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna see if I can cook. A little butter in this thing. Yeah. Give me oil. I'm a little concerned about that. You got backup playing, right?
Peanut butter sandwiches.
Peanut butter sandwiches as our backup.
Leftover hamburgers and hot dogs.
Yeah, probably. There. Garlic toast. I need to season. There you go. Can you see it? I hope you're happy with my cooking, Aaron. I think I did it the way you told me. Alright, what do you think?
I think this is an excellent meal. I would give it 4 stars out of 4.
Oh, good.
And then you might even add a star to it for the ambiance of our place where we're eating this meal. The meal was really, really tasty.
That was good, good.